After a purchase, great support matters most. With Rendora's 3D avatars, after-sales care becomes interactive, engaging, and always available to guide your customers. Hello, and welcome to Appliance Maintenance Tips. I'm your service advisor, Cynthia. Your hairdryer needs regular care and maintenance to maintain optimum performance from time to time. It's super simple, and you can do it yourself at home. Before we begin, make sure your hairdryer is turned off. Once confirmed, you can begin your cleaning. Step 1. Unplug your hairdryer from the mains electricity supply and allow it to cool down. Step 2. Hold the handle of the hairdryer, turn the filter cage to the left. When the red dot aligns with the hollow dot, you can now remove the filter cage. Step 3. Pull the filter cage downwards. Then, gently wipe the filter mesh with a dry, lint-free cloth or soft brush, slowly removing any dust or debris. Please be patient with this step. Washing and applying excessive pressure on the filter mesh is strictly prohibited. It may cause serious damage and affect the performance of the hairdryer. Place the filter cage back on after cleaning. Twist until it snaps into place and make sure the red dot aligns with the white dot. Now you can use your hairdryer. Give it a try and see if the airflow is much stronger. Alright, that's all for this tip. I will continue to provide after-sales support and tips for various products. Feel free to follow my account for more updates. If you want to learn more about how you can make your own 3D videos for free, make sure to subscribe and check out other videos on our website. We will see you in the next one.